What if? What if I told you that one of the world's most advanced fighter jets is not just being offered to India but could actually be built inside India itself? Russia has made a bold proposal, the SU-57 stealth fighter. But this is not just about aircraft. This is about power and politics. What is happening right now? Recently, Russia offered India its fifth generation stealth fighter jet, the Su-57, along with a proposal for a joint production. Instead of a simple purchase, Russia is suggesting something bigger, co-production inside India. Why is this important? Because this is not a defense deal. It is a strategic move that can reshape how India builds its future air force. Countries don't share fifth generation technology easily. Here comes the play of Russia. Vladimir Putin wants to collaborate with India as the proposal is still in discussion. Let us see what will happen for the technology collaboration to make fighter jets, and the manufacturing unit will give more jobs for Indian youth. Russia is the most powerful manufacturing country for jets, fighter planes, weapons, guns, and other missiles, etc. They have ultimate military power as the America and China. Don't you want to know what is the Su-57? Well, let me explain you. The Su-57 is Russia's most advanced stealth fighter jet, designed to compete with America's F-22 and F-35. It is built for speed, stealth and precision strikes. Why is Russia offering this to India? Russia has a long defense partnership with India going back decades. From MiG fighters to Sukhoi 30, India has been one of Russia's most important defense customers. But today, Russia wants something deeper than trade. It wants collaboration, easy peasy lemon squeezy. What is Russia's historical context? To understand this, we need to go back to the Soviet era. During the Cold War, the Soviet Union built some of the most powerful military aircraft in the history. Even after its collapse in 1991, Russia retained its defense expertise, especially in aviation. Old MiG jets, and they have the much more power, and new technology in fifth generation is Su-57. Why is India a key partner? India is one of the world's most countries that maintains strong defense ties with both Russia and Western nations. It also has a growing Make in India policy, and this makes India a perfect candidate for joint production. Wait, so you say there is no collaboration for Russia with America and for Russia with China? Yes, of course. We have collaborations, but Vladimir Putin also mentioned that the collaboration with China won't affect India, and the collaboration with India won't affect China due to the wars between China and India and the tensions between both countries. What does this mean for the future? If this deal moves forward, India could become not just a buyer of fighter jets but a builder of fifth generation stealth technology. That would mark a major shift in India's defense capability and global standing. Won't that make our country exciting? Well, I am very excited for this offer from Russia to be confirmed. The question is no longer about aircraft, it is about who builds the future of air power and who controls it. Thanks for watching.